the commercial bank lending rate is 8.5%. When the savings rate, go to probank.gr, Eurobank.gr. They give you 1.5% for a savings account. Same like the States. Actually, same like ING online. Okay, 1.5, but they loan you the money with 8.5. Personal loan is close to 15%. The mortgage rate is 5.75 variable. That's close from 3 to 5 years. When I was in the summer again in Greece, I told them, I have a 30-year mortgage. I got my 30-year mortgage fixed rate. Oh, we don't have that here. Now, what's the best case scenario? We either have 15 years or 20 years. And I checked the rate today, and the rate currently was 7%, variable. Okay, yeah.
I see nothing there about interest paid on savings loans.
No.
Do people have money to put away there?
They have money.
They use all their money. Why isn't that on here?
I'll tell you how they have money. Let's say you go to the farmers market. Let's say you go to the gas stations. Many gas stations, many farmer markets, they don't have registers. They don't have. I mean, for those of you who have been to this, they don't have registers to give receipts. So let's say also I'm a high school professor. Okay, your son, your daughter wants to enter the Greek university. You can tell me, Kyrie Papadopoulou, can you do private tutoring to my son? Okay. Well, how much is going to cost you? 70, 100 euros per hour. Okay. Do you think he's getting a receipt for that? No, he's not getting a receipt for that. Because it's under the table. But theoretically, he's not supposed even to have that money. I'm not even going to touch the other popular expression called fakelaki. Fakelaki is envelope in English.
What's that?
Fakelaki means envelope. So, I don't know if I have an envelope here, but let's say you work. What is the agency here in the States that approves buildings, let's say? What makes the construction? Who gives you the license?
The county.
Bravo, go to the county.
Yeah.
So, how much is it going to cost me to get a license? Well, it's going to cost you $50, but if you give me something more, you will go faster. So, ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Thank you very much.
And you give them money.
With
like
the
that,
bomb.
your business gets done. That's why the corruption is so extremely high. 50% of the GDP is the public sector. Now, my best friend is a medical doctor. You know how much money he makes? 1,500 euros. A medical doctor. This particular guy, and if any of you are interested, I'll send you the link, studied, he has a University of Athens, he has his medical degree, he comes to the States at Harvard, at the Joslin Clinic, to actually do research. He goes back to Greece, okay, and they sent him, for those of you who know, to Salamina, middle of nowhere, to practice. Not in Athens, because he doesn't have, again, the connections. But how he's going to survive with 1,500 euros? Of course he's going to take fakelakia under the table to survive.
What's the average wage?
Depending on what you do. The minimum salary is 700 euros right now. Approximately salaries around 1,000 to 1,500 euros. That's the average. If you make more than 2,000 euros per month, you are rich for Greek standards. Now, why you are rich? Because if you have your own house, you don't have the mortgage to pay. If you have a bus system and transportation system, you don't have to pay a car loan. Money stays in your pocket. That's why also people are much more able to save money and invest the money down the street. Does that answer your question? In the 90s, no matter if you're a socialist or a Democrat, actually, and for those of you again who know that stuff, they just sold Olympic Airlines to a private industry because Olympic, when it was bought from Onassis, it became a national company. So, when you have national companies, what do? I want your vote, I want your vote. How am I going to get their vote?
Hire the kids.
Bingo.
Yeah.
So the children of the children would be entered now to these nationalized companies. And you're going to ask me with what kind of criteria? He didn't used to have any type of criteria. Actually, to submit his credit, he created what is called ASEP, that was independent. That basically we're taking a test. If you pass the grade, you would enter the government. If you didn't pass the grade, out. Okay? It was not about connections with ASEP. Greeks are able to go to England and study, are able to go to Germany and study for free now because of the European Union. But many people actually don't live in these countries. Many of them, including myself. I mean, I think no matter how many years you're going to spend in the States, you still always remember the positive parts of the Greek life. Okay? So many people actually don't leave Greece. Because if I'm a parent and I can actually give you 300-400 euros per month to support you to go get some coffee, pay your cell phone bill, what motivation do I give you to work? I mean, psychologically speaking, if I reinforce your behavior, what is your motivation to work? If you know from the beginning that if you don't have connections, you're going to make 700 euros, you know what you're waiting? For your parents to die. Why? Because you get their money in their dowries, or that money comes to you automatically. I mean, that's why people are very cynic, extremely, unhappy about the situation. That's why they feel that it's extremely unfair right now for the European Union to say, no, you have to cut taxes, you have to actually cut salaries, you have to cut the pensions, because they don't make money. If you compare Greek standards with the other European Union countries' standards, I want to see where the second lowest being paid in the European, being paid. So it means that if a doctor in Greece, let's get paid 1,500 euros, in Germany would be paid 5,000 euros.
We read in the paper today that Greece's economy is failing. There's a possibility that they might be
Default.
ousted or resign from the European Union. You mean to tell me you want to go back to that?
According to the finance ministry, they project that their deficit is 30 billion euros. According to the Greek ministry, 30 billion euros. According to the Goldman Sachs, it's 39.7. Now, Dr. Iatribis is correct. Now, why is that? How Lehman Brothers collapsed here? They are shorting, if you're going to call it the stock of Greece, they're shorting the stock. Because if they believe that if Greece fails, euro is going to go down. They make money right now by attacking Greece. I mean, it's actually smart money. We may not like it, but because Greece has a very weak economy, Portugal or Spain, right now, the hypothesis might be next, Anglo-Saxon banks, whatever. They know how to make money.
It's like shorting the stock on a weekend.
Yes, plus it's politics. If we have a socialist government, when you used to have what is called a Republican government, who do you think they would like more? The socialists that are supposed to be much more open to pensions and increases, or the Republican of Nea Demokratia? There's a lot of politics going on. I mean, there's no doubt about that. To your question, there's an advantage actually. Somebody was saying today that there's an advantage of Greece actually being kicked out of the euro. Why is that? Because let's say that they kicked out. Now, nationality would be very humiliating if that happens, okay? But theoretically now, you go back to drachma, you go back to currency X, what do you do now? You make it extremely cheap. Now you export. What has happened to the dollar? Try to go with your dollar overseas now. It's a joke. When I came here, it was 400 or 500 drachmas to the dollar. Now I go back to Greece with 10,000, I went back to Greece this summer. We go to get a cup of coffee and I have to pay $8 at Starbucks in Greece. So if they get kicked out from euro, if they get kicked out from euro, the only advantage would be that they're going to have a new currency, potentially, they're going to devalue it like crazy so they can do exports, support the economy. Because right now, and that's the other last argument. Why do you think Greece supports Turkey's application to join the European Union? Have you heard about that, right? Greece supports the application of Turkey to the European Union. Why? Because Greeks always supposed to be the racists, the bad guys, the bad people, right? Right. So, what did Greeks say? You know something? No, we'll support Turkey. Why is that?
Finally they did it.
Why is that?
Yes.
Because now the Germans and the French have to say, oh, no, we don't like that. Because before, they had the Greeks before, the Greeks will complain, we will cover back behind from the Greeks, we won't take any flack for that. Now, Germany and France, of course, does not want Turkey to become part of the European Union. It's like you telling me now that you would love Mexico to become your 51st state. You would not like that. You know why? Because Turkey's cheap labor would flood the markets. Why, if I can pay somebody from Turkey or from another country 5 euros per hour, why would I pay the French or the German plumber 20 euros per hour? What are you going to do?
They probably work better too.
I don't know about that.
Like
But that was extremely smart politics. No, we support Turkey. It's in our interest. Because then the other governments had to become the bad guy and say, guess what? Yeah, we're not feeling very comfortable with that possibility.